Hello, I'm Cryptor. I'm doing a video on starting out in crypto. There's lots of videos out there. Still, people message me asking me how it's done, if I can help them and assist them do it. So I just thought I'd make some videos to wipe that out, and people should be able to do their own. Now, the first place you want to go to Coinbase. Here is your first port of call on buying crypto into the market. Now, I recommend, unless you want to buy and keep it here, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can keep it and hold it here if you like, but if you want to get on the exchange, start trading other currency pairs and other cryptos, I'd recommend you buy Litecoin. Buy Litecoin however much you want to buy, and then you want to transfer it to another exchange like Kucoin, Binance, or whatever other exchange you want to send it to whatever crypto you want to buy. Now, if you want to find out what exchange you need to go to, so let's just say you're here. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to be pretty much on every exchange. So the list will be very long. So if I go here, and I come to this tab here, well, you'll see the price up here in US dollars and the price below in Ethereum. Sorry, in Bitcoin Satoshi value, the price of Ethereum. Now to find out where you would purchase Ethereum, you click on Markets, and here will be a long list of where you can buy and trade Ethereum on what chosen currency pair that you wanted to do. So if you want to do Ethereum versus USI, you can do it here at Bitfinex, GDAX, and on them two exchanges you can actually play the margin, where if you just want to buy and hold Ethereum, you go to your Binance, Kraken, there's so many here for Ethereum you can buy. Kucoin, and there you'd own the asset, and you're not playing the margin, which I recommend if you're new, just buy and hold the crypto. Don't play the margin. So I'm going to move over back to the main page. Again, I'll click Neo. It won't have as many, but it will have a lot Neo. And it'll be on all major exchanges. The exchanges I usually use are Binance, Kucoin, and Bittrex. They're the three. I haven't used Bittrex since probably October last year, but Binance and Kucoin I use all the time. Now to see the difference, I'll go to another hold. Well, I'll go Utrust, and you'll see the difference. It's not on. It's a fairly new crypto, and it's not on all the exchanges. As you can see, it's just a handful of exchanges that you can purchase Utrust. I got it on Kucoin. Again, gives you the price. Now, when it comes to buying a crypto, I listen to a lot of YouTubers talking about what cryptos they think they're going to be big. Also do my own research. I'm on Telegram. I'll join the community, find out what's going on. Because when these cryptos get listed on another exchange, they usually pump in value quite a lot. So with Utrust, I can imagine when it goes on to Binance, it's going to really pump, and the price is going to go up substantially. Yeah, so you can find a lot of information here on these websites. If you click on the website and you wanted to join their community, should come up in a second. If you go down to the footer of most of these websites for each of the cryptocurrencies here, you'll find in the footer they normally have a Telegram group. So if you click there, if you install the application first for Telegram, it's on my desktop. You can have it on your mobile phone as well. Once you've installed it on your laptop or tablet and you've got it on your phone, they normally sync. You don't have to join the groups again. It's across platform. And here you can see each group. Now follow a lot of people on YouTube, follow them Twitter, and you find out your information there, especially when these cryptos get listed on another exchange. Especially the most popular ones, they really do move, and you find out the information. Like, for instance, if we're on Kucoin exchange, they've got a Twitter group, and you join there, and I remember someone kept saying, "Oh, such and such is being listed," and I was wondering how they were getting the information because I couldn't find it, and I didn't have the notification on my Twitter to tell me that this was being listed on KuCoin today. I mean, they put it up on the website as well, but this is if you log in. I don't log in every day. I don't trade hourly anymore. Initially, I did, and I just trade uh, daily, and I'll look if there's a significant move, and doing my technical analysis, and I feel that it's time to take profit and then rebuy, then I'll do that. But I don't play it day to day because I found that I was just chasing my own tail when it comes to crypto. It's like even the other day, I wanted to buy another crypto that I've been waiting for a while, but I was holding Neo. As soon as I sold it, the next day Neo shoots up, and the crypto that I bought hasn't moved. Now, it didn't really matter because I wanted this crypto that I was buying anyway on another exchange, and I transferred it with Neo. But best thing to do is keep holding them and until they move, and if they do a big enough move, and I'll show you what I do on another video, but I don't really want to go into it now. I'll just show you what I've got and the tools that I'm using. Um, this is KuCoin, Binance. I use, and these are the platforms I trade on. So you'd get your Litecoin from there. You'd get your address up here, and you'll send. So you'd click. I haven't got any here, and you'd send. I mean, this is an account I don't use really anymore, but you send it out. There's no point holding it here really. It depends if you want to play. You might just want to hold Bitcoin like I covered earlier. You just might want to hold Ethereum. But their gains have already been made. Where if you go to KuCoin, you go to Binance. These are holding cryptos that have still got moves to do. They could still have a 20, 30 times gain left in them. Some of them more, and they're just going to take time to build up. Don't seem to have a very fast internet today. I am mining on the network as well. But here's a long list, and each project, it's worth reading about each project. Say follow. There's a lot of YouTubers know a lot more than me out there on these and get a lot more information. They do it as their day job. I don't do this as a day job. I'm just doing this as just a side thing, and also to follow how I get on over this year would be a lot more interesting to see what I was buying. And I am going to do videos where I'm looking at what I'm going to buy next, and I'm going to put what price I'm going to buy it, and stuff like that. Now, like I said, I use Binance, I use Kucoin. I got Cryptos the other day just because I wanted to buy some Zebi, which was released on this and IDEX. I've not really got on with IDEX, but I tried this only a small amount, only a $400 position. See how it goes over the year. Now, I usually use Coinigy to do my technical analysis on. Now, before I was using TradingView, the price is about the same. I think it's like $19 on TradingView. You can see stocks, forex, um, indexes, everything on. There's a lot more on TradingView, but you're limited to what I found. What you're limited to what tools you can use on the platform. Now, I feel if I pay for a subscription, I want to be able to use them all. I don't want to have like a higher subscription so I can use a couple of more tools. I do use quite a few, and I like to use them. I still use TradingView, but I just use the free one. Coinigy, I pay the premium money to, and as you can see here, it's $18. And this is mine set up. This is on Utrust at the moment. Looks like we might have a bit of a run. And these are all indicators that I'm using at the moment. I'm not going to go through them on this video, but it's definitely worth you getting a Coinigy account, even if you try it for a month. I will make a video on how I use my these tools and the technical analysis eventually. As you see, we've had a move here and it's come back down. Again, that was quite a sharp move. I wasn't really watching the market then. Could have been worth selling and getting a rebuy around here. It would have been good. I mean, that would 55% of the move if you got it from the bottom. And if you want to join me for the next video where when I get a chance to make it, I'll be going through how I'm using my indicators here and what I'm looking for. I have a lot here. I might not use them all together. They're just there, or I might just take two aspects from it. And sometimes I can use them all together. I mean, here, just of me looking just off the indicators at the moment. I mean, I do look at channels and stuff like that, but I'm already in a position here. I've been in a position for a while. And I'd be looking, yeah, I definitely would be looking at buying at this area just at a glance. So this is why I like these indicators. I can just quickly scan through all the stuff I'm holding, and I can pretty much see where I am with it. Usually I'm looking at the day chart and the 4-hour chart. Fortunately, I wasn't looking around here where I think it was just a busy period at work. I didn't notice the move. I generally try and look every day, at least once. I think here where I've marked it there is probably where I put a buy. So from that move there, it was a 60% move. But it's still a gain. Let's see what the gain is. I still got 18% of the move. If I did buy there, I can't remember. I bought quite a bit, and I probably bought higher as well. So it would have been nice to pick that up and then rebuy here. But it's my long hold. I don't look at my long holds every day. Last year, I was probably looking at the hour chart more. I just found that the stuff I was holding, I wasn't playing so much, seemed to do better. I mean, if you start looking and they start doing usually people are buying when the move is done. So even here, it looks like we might have a bit of a move. Maybe it might tag this here. But we'll have a look. So people looking and they think, oh, no, it looks like it's going to go up. I mean, that move's probably about 3%. Sorry, I forgot. I'm looking at a day chart. So that's already moved 6%. And if it does go all the way up to here, it could be a 30%. When you get to take 28% off, and but what price you get in as well, or always matter. So yeah, I would probably, if I wasn't in the market looking for a buy, probably I'll wait to see the next candle and go down. If I feel I've missed it, I've missed it. But I'm sort of looking where I'd want to buy. Would normally be here. I bought a bit high there. It's just that I made on another crypto and I sold the position, and I wanted to accumulate more of the assets, so I went more for the U Trust on here. Same again with Dragon Chain as well. The two that I'm accumulating more of. I'm not so bothered about the price now, but if I make gains on other ones, then I'll have a look, and if it's sort of low, I'll keep buying. So that brings me to the end. If you like the video and you want to see more, click the like and subscribe. I hope it's been of some help. Like I said, there's a lot better videos. This is just more for me and my friends, so I don't have to keep explaining the same thing and keep messaging the same stuff on Facebook or WhatsApp. I can just say, here's a link to the video. These are the places you want to look, and start doing your research from here. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll probably do a video more on how I'm using my technical analysis and my Coinergy and setting it up. I'll probably do a video on that soon. Okay, thank you and goodbye.